Hi, dear children. Today, our teaching topic is surface areas and volumes, part 1. Prerequisites. What is three-dimensional object? 2. How can we categorize the shapes around us? What does the word area mean? What does the word volume mean? What does the combination of solids mean? What is the difference between curved surface area and lateral surface area? Cube. Length, breadth, height. The three-dimensional object mean which has length, breadth and height. Shapes around us mainly divided into polyhedrons and curved surfaces. Again, polyhedrons are divided into prisms, pyramids and platonic solids. Dear children, observe on the screen carefully the prisms, a group of prisms, group of pyramids and platonic solids. Under curved surfaces, cylinder, cone, sphere and hemisphere. The amount of space inside the boundary of a flat two-dimensional object such as a triangle, rectangle, etc. Volume is the capacity of the container which it can hold in it. We measure volume in cubic units. Observe there are three objects: cone, cube and cylinder. Can it hold any liquid on it? On a circular 2D object? No. If the height is raised, we can hold, or the container can hold some liquid. Volume is equals to area of the base into height. Cubic units. See, many things of different shapes formed by two or more regular solid shapes are called combination of solids. Find out the shapes in each figure. Circus tent, security chamber. Both of these cylinder and cone shapes are involved. One more figure, tie top. The top of the tie top is hemisphere. The bottom of the tie top is cone. Again, one more cricket bat. Here the bottom is cuboid, middle part is cylinder and the top knob is hemisphere. Now observe a factory shed. This is comprised of cuboid and top hemisphere. Oil tanker, one end it is studded with hemisphere, in the middle is cylinder and other end is hemisphere. Bird bath, one is a cylinder and hemisphere. Now a bullet, the middle part is cylinder, the end part is hemisphere and this end part is cone. Now lateral surface area of an object is the sum of the areas of all edged faces excluding its base and top face areas. Here cube, four sides of the cube comes under the lateral surface area. Curved surface area of an object is the areas of one curved face excluding its base and top face areas. In cylinder, the middle part is the area is called curved surface area, and in sphere the curved surface area and the total surface area is the same. Let us recall the formula of surface areas of cubes, cuboids, cylinders, cones and sphere, and volumes also. Observe, my dear children, the cube, how it is constituted. This is pattern 2. The 6 faces can be adjusted anywhere as shown on the screen. Now this is pattern 3. Now this is the net diagram of cube. Left side cube and right side is net diagram of the cube. And if the cube is exploded, six faces. Now lateral surface area means the object is rotated around is lateral surface area of cube. The top and bottom are excluded. Lateral surface area of a cube. Lateral surface area of an object is the sum of the areas of all edged faces excluding its base and top face areas. Observe on the screen one s square, s square, s square, s square, all four sides. Therefore, the lateral surface area is s square plus s square plus s square plus s square is equals to 4s square square units. Now total surface area of a cube. We have to include top and bottom face surfaces areas also with LSA. LSA plus s square is equals to 4s square plus 2s square, that is 6s square. Now my dear children, observe volume of the cube and cuboid. Two into 1 cubes. An empty cube is taken, fill it with unit cubes, that is 1 into 1 into 1 sized. Now that is 2 into 2 into 1 block. 2 cuboids of 2 into 2 into 1 blocks are fitted or inserted inside the empty cube. Now remove all the cubes and detach them and count them. They are exactly inserted in it. So its volume is 8 cubic units. The number of tubes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 cubes. Now take another empty cube to generalize the formula. Fill it with unit cubes. Now a block of 3 into 3 into 1 cubes are inserting inside the box. Is exactly it is inserted inside another 3 into 3 into 1 block. Some empty space is seen. One more 3 into 3 into 1 block is exactly fitted. Now remove all of them and then detach them and count them. That is the volume of that container. 3 blocks of cuboids are exactly inserted in it. So its volume is 3 into 3 into 3. That is 27 cubic units. Observe carefully on the screen while counting. One, two, like that you just count till 27. Now, in two cases, the two types of the cubes, we found the value by inserting unit cubes in it. Now, let us take a cuboid, take another empty cuboid, fill it with unit cubes, that is 1 into 1 into 1 cubes. Now, another block of 4 into 3 into 1 is exactly inserted inside, and one more 4 into 3 into 1 block is inserted exactly inside the empty cuboid. Now it is fitted exactly up to its brim. Now remove all of them and count how many number of the unit cubes are there. That is its value. 4, 3, 1. 4 into 3 into 2. 4 into 3 into 1 blocks, 2 are inserted inside, that is 4, 3, 2 is the size of the cuboid. 4 into 3 into 2 is 24. Therefore, 24 cubes are inserted inside the cuboid of size 4 into 3 into 2. Therefore, length into breadth into height. Area of the base is length into breadth. Height is 2. That is equals to 24 cubic units. Volume of cube. Volume of cube is equals to area of the base into height. S into S into S, that is S cube cubic units. Now let us solve one question. Find the total surface area, lateral surface area and volume of a cube having its side equal to 8 centimeters in length. Given length A is equals to 8 centimeters, total surface area is equals to 6a square, 6 into 8 square, that is 6 into 64 is equals to 384 centimeter square. Lateral surface area 4a square is equals to 4 into 8 square, that is 4 into 64 is equals to 264 centimeter square. Volume A cube, 8 cube, 8 into 8 into 8, that is 512 cubic units. My dear children, observe cuboid on the screen. Or we can easily see the net diagram of cuboid. Now, net diagram of cuboid. Lateral surface area of a cuboid. Area of the four walls of a room. See room 4 walls, that is side. Opposite to the front, LH. LBH are the measurements of a 4 walls room. And then first area is LH, second BH, LH, BH. By adding all those 2LH plus 2BH square units, that is 2H into L plus B square units is its lateral surface area of cuboid. Total surface area of cuboid. Now we have to add top surface area and bottom surface area to its LSA. Total surface area is equals to LSA plus LB plus LB, that is LSA, 2H into L plus B plus 2LB, 2LH plus 2BH plus 2LB, taking 2 common, 2 into LB plus BH plus LH square units. Now volume of the cuboid. Volume of the cuboid is equals to area of base into height. Area of the base is LB into H, cubic units. Now find the TSA, LSA and volume of a cuboid with dimensions 2 meters into 3 meters into 7 meters. Total surface area of a cuboid is equals to 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. That is 2 into 3 plus 3 into 7 plus 7 into 2. That is 2 into 6 plus 21 plus 14 is equals to 82 square meters. Lateral surface area. 2H into L plus B, 2 into 7 into 2 plus 3. That is 14 into 5. That is 70 square meters. Volume L into B into H, 2 into 3 into 7, that is equals to 42 cubic meters. Now my dear children, observe the cylinder. When we cross sect the cylinder across its y axis, then what are the shapes comes out? Yes, it is 2 circles and middle part is a rectangle. If you take the rectangle and wrap it across its 2 ends, it will be a hollow cylinder. Curved surface area of a cylinder. Now this unwrapped is nothing but length into breadth, rectangle. Curved surface area is equals to area of rectangle, that is equals to L into B. L became 2 pi r into H. Breadth became H. 2 pi r H is its curved surface area. Total surface area of a cylinder is total surface area is equals to LSA plus pi r square plus pi r square. That is 2 pi r H plus pi r square plus pi r square is 2 pi r square. 2 pi r into r plus H square units. Volume of cylinder. Area of the base into height, no? Volume of cylinder is equals to area of base into height. Area of the base is pi r square. Height is H. Pi r square H cubic units. The radius and height of a right cylinder are given as 5 meters and 6.5 meters respectively. Find the volume and total surface area, curved surface area of the right cylinder. Given that R is equals to 5 meters, H is equals to 6.5 meters. Volume of right cylinder is pi r square H cubic units. That is, volume is equals to 3.14 into 5 square into 6.5 is equals to 3.14 into 25 into 6.5. That is equals to 510.25 cubic meters. TSA is equals to 2 pi r into H plus r square meters. That is equals 2 into 22 by 7 into 5 into 6.5 plus 5. And 2 into 3.14 into 5 into 11.5. TSA is equal to 361.1 square meters. Curved surface area is equals to 2 pi r H square units. That is equals to 2 into 3.14 into 5 into 6.5 is equals to 204.1 square meters. Now my dear children, observe cone on the screen. Now observe the net diagram of the cone. Yes, it is 1 circle and another is a sector. Now near diagram of the cone. Curved surface area of a cone. Curved surface area of a cone is equals to area of sector. What is the area of sector? Of LR. Now L became 2 pi R and R became slant height L. That is equals to half into 2 pi R into L. 2 gets cancels and pi R L square units. Total surface area of a cone is equals to LSA plus pi R square. That is pi RL plus pi R square. And here in these two terms pi R is common. Pi R is taken common, pi R into R plus L square units. Now volume of a cone. My dear children, observe of the same base and height of a cone and cylinder is taken. 3 cone full of water is filled in a cylinder. Therefore, volume of cone is equals to 1 by 3 volume of cylinder. That is 1 by 3 pi R square H cubic units. Find the volume of a cone if radius is 4 centimeters and height is 8 centimeters. Radius 4. H height is 9. Now using the volume of a cone formula, volume is equals to 1 by 3 pi R square H. That is equals to 1 by 3 into 3.14 into 4 square into 9. Find the volume of a cone which has the base radii of 8 centimeters and slant height L of 13 centimeters. Given radii of radii is equals to 8 centimeters, slant height is equals to 13. L is equals to 13, that is L is equals to square root of R square plus H square. 13 square is equals to H square plus 8 square. H square is equals to 13 square minus 8 square. H is equals to square root of 13 square minus 8 square. That is root of 169 minus 64 is equals to 10.24 centimeters. Using the formula of volume of cone is equals to 1 by 3 pi R square H. That is 1 by 3 into 3.14 into 8 square into 10.24. That is equals to 686.25 cubic units. Now my dear children, observe sphere on the screen. The total sphere is divided into square pyramids. Every apex point of the pyramid meets at the center of inside the sphere. That is surface area and volume of the sphere. We can do activity given in this book for this formula. Observe in your reference videos also. And curved surface area of a sphere is 4 pi R square units and volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi R cubic units. A sphere has a radius of 11 centimeters. Find its total surface area given R is equals to 11 centimeters. We know the total surface area of a sphere is equals to 4 by 3 pi R square. 4 into 3.14 into 11 square. That is equals to 4 into 3.14 into 11 into 11, 1519.76 cubic units. Now, the volume of a spherical ball is 343 centimeters cube. Find the radius of the ball. Given volume of sphere is equals to 343 and we know that volume of a sphere is 1 by 3. Volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi R cube. is equals to 343. Then r cube is equals to 343 into 3 by 4 pi. That is equals to 343 into 3 by 4 into 3.44. That is equals to 81.92 centimeters cube. Implies r is equals to 4.34 centimeters. Thank you, my dear children.